Hello and welcome to Digital Medboard. Here we go. We got a question. This patient has repeated vomiting, which typically leads to a loss of gastric acid and is usually associated with metabolic alkalosis due to volume depletion and secondary hyperaldosteronism. However, this patient is also diabetic. In diabetics, stress, such as from infection or illness, can precipitate diabetic ketoacidosis, which causes metabolic acidosis. Given this, the patient could have metabolic alkalosis from vomiting or metabolic acidosis from diabetic ketoacidosis or a mixed disorder. Now let's analyze the given values. At first, blood pressure was 90/60, indicates dehydration. Next, pH was 7.3. Normal range of pH is 7.35 to 7.45, which indicates acidosis. Next, bicarbonate of 18 milliequivalent per liter is low. Normal range of bicarbonate is 22 to 26 milliequivalent per liter, indicates metabolic acidosis. And finally, PCO₂ of 35 mm mercury is at the lower end of normal, suggesting some respiratory compensation. Therefore, despite the vomiting, the lab values shows that the metabolic acidosis is the dominant disorder, most likely due to a diabetic ketoacidosis. So, the correct answer is option A, metabolic acidosis. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Digital Medboard. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Cheers.